this question here, we want to look on the area of a triangle. But first of all, you need to draw the triangle here given here. Triangle. Now let us make this an A, B, then C. AB is 11, then BC 8, then angle ABC is 53 degrees. So for us to find the area of a triangle, we want to use what we call the sine rule, whereby area is equal to a half AB sine theta, whereby it will be a half times AB, that is 11, times 8 times sine 53 degrees. So at this point here, 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 4. Now 4 times 11 we get 44 times sine 53 degrees. It is going to be, let's say 44 times sine 43 we get the answer to be that is 35.14 centimeter square. That's why I've changed it into 2 decimal places.